Do you want to know how you can log into your Autocount Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Autocount Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Autocount Payroll Login. The next thing you want to do is click on this second link which says Autocount, and you can see Login option on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on Login and it will take you to this page over here. The next thing you want to do is write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address associated with your Autocount Cloud Payroll account, write down your password. Then you can check your password by clicking on this icon. Make sure your email address and password are associated with Autocount Payroll, and after that you can click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Autocount Payroll account. You can also click Remember Me and your browser will remember you the next time you try to log in. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you to follow. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.